guys. You guys say hi.
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 Go.
So we're here at the pumpkin patch. We just made it. Mama, we brought my sister to the pumpkin patch.
I'm the sister.
Where's my boo? My boo. We should have brought Max too.
I know. Why didn't we bring Max?
¿Ya no le cabe el disfraz de calabaza?
No. So yeah, we're gonna see if we could find some pumpkins.
I want a
Pumpkin
Mia.
patch.
In the pumpkin patch. It's here where I live. I'm not gonna give details because I don't want stalkers.
I want a water.
She wants a water. I need a water because I've been drinking lots of soda. So yeah. We're inside the store getting water because it's hella hot. It's already what, mid-fall?
Yeah.
It's already mid-fall and it's already hella hot. Pero.
Hello.
Babe! Nora!
Hey, where's your little backpack?
My little backpack. Well, you haven't bought me my camel one yet.
No, you want another?
Yeah, I want another one.
¿Esa es una vaca?
No, es un burro. Aquí está la vaca, ira.
It's a cow. It's a cow over
Oh
there.
my god! Yeah. Yeah, it's poop.
We're looking at the animals first before we even see the pumpkins.
And I'm pointing out all the food.
Nora's a donkey. Nora's a donkey. A donkey.
Damn it.
Sheep.
Bah.
Remember that meme you sent me with the goat?
Bah. I can't give him food.
You can't give him food.
Hi.
She's saying hi to the vlog. How old are you, Nora?
Good.
How old are you?
Hey.
8. I'm wearing my boobs glasses. I said boobs.
Oh, poop.
My boobs glasses. Because I forgot mine at the car.
Hi, Bud.
Come on.
What is it, Mama? Anna, what is it, Anna? You want to pet it? Yeah? Nora's feeding the alpaca or llama or however you want to call them.
Alpaca.
Alright, let's go, chivos. Los chivos.
Chivos.
Need more?
I can help it.
You gave me the quarters, babe. Why are you giving me the quarters?
Because what's mine is yours and what's yours is yours, remember?
Yes. Nora acá. They don't want to eat.
They're already full. I think they're already full. I just gonna leave it
I
like
look
that.
sexy.
Cocoa Puffs.
Why are you throwing it over there, Nora? The chivos are over there. Oh my god, guys, I swear.
I can't even get to over there.
We're gonna go see the pumpkins in a bit. You want a pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, she wants a pumpkin.
A los chicos
Future.
les gusta comer hojas.
Stop tickling me! Stop.
Ah.
It's our future. Our future. I don't think the chivos are hungry.
Come on.
They're not hungry.
No, they're not hungry.
They go to get pumpkin now.
And you guys want to go see pumpkins now?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Pumpkins.
And pumpkins are over there.
Where?
They're over there, baby.
Okay, let's go get some pumpkins.
Wait,
give that to someone.
Look.
Like that one. Those are.
Ew.
Like they got scabies.
Oh,
Or leopard.
there's something. I think I
See,
have a
see,
granito
See.
right here in the bottom part.
No? Oh, you got
I have a cut.
it's like red, like a red line.
Wait. We're Nora. We're losing Nora. Oh, look at that one, so cute.
I want that one.
No.
There's most pumpkins over there.
There's a minion over there.
Yeah, you wanna get it?
No.
You want it? There's more over there. They're so tiny. So. Is this your first time in a pumpkin patch, baby?
No.
No.
It's like my second.
My first time was the school field trip one. But this is like my actual first time coming.
Oh, this one I want.
Look at these ones.
It's like skip it.
Look at these ones. They're so cute. They're so cute. My eyes.
Oh yeah.
You forgot I have eyes.
Like that.
No, that's wrong.
Like that.
Yeah, no, no. That's a no.
This one is not perfect. That one is thingy. This one?
My sister, I swear.
No. No, this one is her hand. This one is her like a hand. That one is her like a
What's your pumpkin? She's holding it.
Where do you pay for that?
I don't know. Take off. But I do want a little one.
Or do you want that one?
For babe.
Or do you want the one that's
It's too big. Nora, have Jonathan help you. Se te va a caer y lo vas a romper. And then you're going to be crying because it broke. Oh yeah, my manly man. Yeah. Pick that one up, baby.
This one?
Yeah.
You want to hurt my back?
I always break your back anyways.
I'll break your back.
Esta se llama Jackie's Pumpkin. Se llama.
Look at all
Oh
those
my
pumpkins. Oh my god, guys. It breaks. That would be funny if it breaks. Babe, you're going to break it.
This one is 300 Jackie.
Babe.
This one is 300 Jackie. Look.
Oh my god!
That one's.
No.
Bees.
Yeah, they have bees.
It's
They
not-
have bees.
It smells funny.
Ew.
We're getting a tan. It's hella hot.
Ow, that hurts.
It still feels like summer. No, Ray, te vas a caer. It feels like it's summer even though we're already half from fall.
What's this one? And hold your pumpkin.
It's too hot.
Do it again, do it again.
Move.
There you go.
Okay, certain shit. So we just got our pumpkins. I got this little tiger. I think it's a squash.
Tiger squash.
It's a tiger squash. Hey, where are you?
Big pumpkin.
Big pumpkin,
It's
little
for me.
pumpkin. And this little, I think it's cute. It's perfect for a room decoration.
And this one is mine. I have it in my head.
She has one in her head.
Hola.
She has one in her cephalo. You're going to break your pumpkin, Nora.
No se rompió, solo se ensució con tierra.
She has one in her cephalo. Did I get it right?
Yes.
Okay. Where's the car?
Over there.
Okay. So we're going to go put it on the car and then we're going to come back. They're so cute.
I burp.
She burped. She burped, babe.
Burped.
She's just like me, huh?
No.
Babe is happy because he got his funnel cake. We got our pumpkins. We got our funnel cake. I want nachos. Have you seen any places with nachos?
No sé si venden
I want nachos. And a soda.
Tú ya tomaste una.
Huh?
Want more pumpkin?
No, one more soda.
Yo voy.
Funnel cakes is too sweet. And I got all the sugar on me, look. All the sugar.
Oh, that's so good.
It's so sweet.
But look me.
I have work tomorrow at 3 a.m.
Right, this.
It won't come off anymore.
Oh no.
Look at you. Oh, I washed your sweats. I should have brought you your sweats. No. Well, I don't know. I haven't checked.
Esta es la can de calabaza.
She's trying her pumpkin. She's so weird, guys. She's so weird.
Is there any on my face?
Yeah.
Where?
Your lips. You want me to take them?
Yeah.
Where she take them?
She has an evil laugh, I swear.
Esta es la chiquita. Esta es la grande.
Yeah.
Baby grandma flowers!
Aww.
And my little sister too.
And
good
my
Baba.
pumpkin. My pumpkin with my flower. My pumpkin with
We
my...
got our pumpkins and now we're gonna head home.
Aww, thank you for flowers. Aww.
Alright. So our pumpkin patch has ended already. Oh shit. Like I was saying, our pumpkin patch day has ended.
It's around 3.
Yeah. We've been here since what, like 11, 12?
Yeah, 11, 12.
So yeah, we made it such a good hour on AP.
We have like 2 hours. 3.
Yeah.
Maybe I had my pumpkin patch.
And I got flowers. I got flowers. Bubba, I love you. You're my everything.
You're mine.
You're mine.
You're mine. Look at this.
Look at the little mini sunflower. So yeah, this is the end of our pumpkin patch day. And yeah, if you guys want to see the pumpkin results pictures, follow my Instagram. I'll be right here. Yeah. I think that would be it. Anything else?
Funnel cake.
Oh yeah, we had some funnel cake
Funnel cake.
with banana
Pumpkin.
syrup on it instead of banana slice.
Banana cream.
I think it would have been better with banana slice.
Banana?
Yeah.
Banana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want banana.
It would have been better if I had it all to myself.
Well, you did have it all for yourself too. So, yeah. Okay.
A little
Well.
bit for me.
A little bit for you, yes.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.